It is written.
Your hours of your Skripstrumental.
Hey cuties! So today I'm going to be doing a Halloween tutorial just for makeup. If you've picked out your costume and it doesn't have a specific makeup look, you could try this. If you're not going to dress up this year but still want to have a little Halloween festivity going on, then you could try this. Or if it's not even Halloween, you just want to go crazy, do something dramatic, then this is the look for you. So I hope everybody has a safe Halloween and I love you guys, and here is the tutorial. The first thing that I'm going to do is take Too Faced Shadow Insurance, which is just a primer, and I'm going to prime all my lid and also my lower lash line as well. With Ben Nye's Tangerine, all I'm doing is placing this right in the middle of my eyelid. So just packing that orange all on there in no specific way at all, but I am bringing it up into the crease just a bit, and then I'm just going to continue packing on that color to give it my desired look. I'm going to place tape on the outer corner to create a cat eye effect, and I'm also placing it on the inner corner as well to give it a harsh line, sort of like a cat eye as well, but on the inner corner, and then covering the rest with tape just to collect fallout. With a fluffy angled brush and Oil Slick by Urban Decay, all I'm going to do is pack on this on the outer corner of my lid, just placing that all on there, and I'm also going to cut that sort of in the crease just a bit, and then packing all the rest on the inner corner. Packing that to my desired look, and then I'm going to slowly start blending up and in. With Gunmetal by Urban Decay and a fluffy brush that I'm just going to literally tap in there just once, I'm going to use sort of windshield wiper motions and swishing motions, circular motions, just blending this all throughout. Blending is very important in your look so you don't have too harsh lines. You want to blend out as much as possible. If you want to blend out a lot, if you want to just blend out a tiny bit, it's completely up to you, depending on how dramatic or smoky you want it. So I'm just blending out all of the black, especially where it meets the orange there, to create a nice flow of colors. Now I'm removing the tape, and you can see the lines that created, and that's what I'm going for. Taking Tangerine again on my lower lash line and kind of just creating that all over the lower lash line. With Polyester Bride by Urban Decay, I'm placing this as a highlight right underneath my brow bone. Annabelle's Pencil Eyeliner just in my waterline if you are comfortable with this, and then I'm also placing this on my upper lash line to line my lashes. L'Oreal's Felt Tip Liquid Liner covering all of the pencil liner. This will make it even more dark, so if you're going for a dramatic look, this is for you. Curl my lashes and then apply your favorite mascara. Mine is Maybelline The Rocket right now, and you can stick with mascara, but I'm personally going to put on some lashes with my favorite lash glue, the Duo Dark Tone, and my favorite lashes ever. These are the Red Cherries. I'm just placing these on and securing them. If you have tweezers, for me that works the best because you can really secure them. MAC's Myth Lipstick, one of my favorites, and over top is MAC's Good Time Lip Glass. This is completely optional, but I thought it was a cute touch. I went to Dollarama and got some nail stickers, which are just stickers. You can use them anywhere. And I just placed them on the outer corners of my eye. You could use anything, pumpkins, candy corn, bats like I did. And I just love this, so I hope you guys enjoy. For the whole face makeup foundation routine, you can click right here. It's I did the exact same right here. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day and a great Halloween, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys!